Hi, Christine Toney here with Essentially Styled. Today I'm here with Hannah, this is my daughter, and I wanted to show you the Celtic knot with very long hair. She has hair much longer than I do, and she's agreed to let me borrow her hair today to show you the Celtic knot, and I'm going to try it with sticks and with our U-pins. So either is an option, but what you do is you're going to gather your hair, and you can adjust the height wherever you want your bun to be. Catch up with the hair behind your ear, sorry. Still feel like I'm missing it. There we go. Okay. Brush that out a second. Whoops. Sorry about that. Okay. So you're just going to start with the traditional bun, and you're going to make the OK sign. Okay. And you're going to keep these three fingers up and secure it here. And then you're going to wrap this hair, pull through there. And then I'm going to grab that loop, which her hair is so much thicker than mine. And then you're going to keep going around. I'm going to get it at least started. There we go. And then just wrap it to secure it around. And then I'm going to take this, pull that loop of hair that I caught the second time around. Like so. And then to start, I'm going to do it with U-pins, and I just take that loop that I have with my secured with my thumb and finger, and I'm going to go out, grab that, and go out, grab some hair, and tuck that in, and then secure the other side with a U-pin. So I'm going to redo that. I don't think I went out far enough. Don't want to lose that loop. It's hard to do it on other people's head. I don't know if I'm scraping her hair. But there is a Celtic knot with our U-pins. And it's just a unique, different bun for just a different look if you get tired of the same old, same old. Now I'm going to try it. Sorry, get your hair or your head. I'm going to try it with one of our sticks. If you can see our decorative, we have so many different types of sticks. This has some cranberry, I think it's a resin combined, but it's really, it looks like marble up close. So I'm going to do the same thing, gather the hair, make the OK sign, wrap it around fingers, grab that hair, and I'm going to actually leave the tail out on this one, okay, so that it just is kind of a messier one. Oops, different stick. And again, I'm going to stick that stick through that same loop, go out, grab some hair, go underneath, grab hair from underneath the bun, and then come out and grab a little bit of hair from the bun on the other side. And then that tail part can stay out. And you can see, I'm going to have you back up a little closer. Just a different look to a bun. Okay, a little more elegant, fun. Now, if you want, you can continue and tuck these under so you don't have those ends out, or you can curl them. If you have curly hair, it makes a really cute tail underneath. So that's the option of the Celtic knot with the U-pins and the sticks. You can even do it with a Flexi. Let me try it, show you just how you can do it with a Flexi as well. Since her hair is so thick, I'm going to use a medium, and this is the kind of one of our newer ones. Go through. Let's see if I caught the loop. I'm not sure if I did or not. But you just go do the same thing and secure it with hair from the outside with the Flexi. So you could do it, she could probably do that with a small, I would probably use a smaller clip, but that will work. So Celtic knot option with lots of different Lilla Rose products. So thank you very much. Have an awesome day, and thanks to my daughter Hannah.